My topic is all about muscular and skeletal system of fish. What is fish? Fish is aquatic vertebrate animal have gills but lack leaves with digit-like finger and toes. According to Britannica, fish is any of approximately 34,000 species of vertebrate animal. Some types of bony fish. Salmonids, a variety fish within the family of salmonid, including salmons, trout, grayling, and whitefish. Three main types of bony fish: jawless and cartilaginous fish. Number one is salmonid, a variety of within the family of salmonids, including salmon, trout, grayling, and whitefish. Number two is gillhead bream, a wonderful fish to eat with chewy, pleasant, wax-away texture. Number three is tench. It's a medium-sized, weedy, deep-bodied fish that can be found in soft-bottom lakes. Number 4 is tuna. Tuna is a magic species found throughout the world ocean that can be eaten fresh to canned. Number 5 is goldfish, a commonly fit in indoor aquarium and most popular fish. Next is jellyfish. Number 1 is Pteraspidamorpha, extinct class of early jawless fish that have been regarded as closely related to jaw vertebrates. Number 2 is Arandospis prionotolipis, extinct genus to jellyfish that live in the Ordovician period. Number 3 is Hycochiti, discovered in China, extinct genus of craniate that lived 518 million years. And the last types of fish is cartilaginous fish. Types of cartilaginous fish is shark. Shark is fish that have a skeleton made of cartilage rather than bone, making them lighter and buoyant in water. Number 2 is stingray, group of sea rays, a types of cartilaginous fish. They are disc-shaped and have flexible, differing tails armed in most species. And number 3 is chimera, known informally as ghost shark, ratfish, spookfish, or rabbitfish. What is muscular system of fish? Network muscle such as skeleton, cardiac, heart, and smoot. It drives movement, locomotion for the swimming throat myomeres. Muscular system includes skeletal, smoot, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle, a primary tissue for the movement to block the myomeres. Its function is for the swimming and play, the most important part in locomotion. Muscular system of fish is myomeres, myocomata, and harbincial septum. Types of skeletal muscle. Number 1 is reed muscle, fast fibers, large portion of muscle, rapid and powerful, but pathogen quickly and located deep with the body. Number 2 is rib muscle, slow fiber. A dense superficial layer sustained, slow and steady for long swimming and fatty due assistance tissue rich in myoglobin. Number 3 is pink muscle, intermediate fiber, found between red and white muscle, acting as versatile middle ground and locate often along lateral line.
Smooth muscle control voluntarily function in organs, such as the gut, blood vessels, and gills. According to the Britannica, muscles power the movement, multicellular animals, and maintain posture. Two functional types of smooth muscle. First, single unit muscles. It is most common type allowed the cell connected by gap. Junction and found in walls of viscera and blood vessels. Second, multi-unit muscles. Cells can contract independently and found in the airway of lungs, large arteries and muscles of the eye. Cardiac muscles, also called eucardium, that had two chambers, organ, atrium, and vertical. The primarily function is to create pressure needed to move blood through signals and delivering oxygen, removing carbon dioxide and waste. Main heart chamber. 4 types of main heart chamber. First, sinus venosus, the initiation and control of the heart rate position, tail end of the heart. Second, atrium, and a reservoir of the blood and collecting from the body or lungs. Third, vertical heart, powerful lower chamber, the pump blood out. Fourth, outflow tract, act as smooth directing blood out of the verticals. Because why the heart of the fish is unique, because it has a single lock circulatory system with only one atrium and vertical. These two chambers are efficiently deliver oxygen. Myomer structure and function. The myomer are not shaped but folded into 3D shape. It can easily dissect in the skin, fish controlled by separate nerve. It has a shape muscles blocks connect via collagen sheets called myosita. What is the skeletal system of fish? The main function of skeletals are as follows. 4 types of function. Protection, helps in movement, provides shape and support. Sites for storage of mineral. 2 different types of skeletal. First, exoskeleton, an outer shell of an organism providing support, protection, and muscle attachment. Second, Endoskeleton, inner shell of one organism made of bone and cartilage found inside of the animal. Main parts of the skeletal system of the fish. First, axial skeleton forms at the central of the body, compresses the cranium, vertebral column, and ribs. Second, appendicular skeleton consists of internal support for the including pectoral and pelvic girdles connecting pins to the body. Skeleton of a fishbone. First, bomber on the roof of the mouth which support the teeth. Second, maxillary. Third, bones located behind or above these bones. Third, retroarticular are articulated and take upon of portion of lower jaw. Third, a portical connected to humandibula bones. Fifth, centrum, the central cylindrical component of each vertebra. Fish skulls, also known as cranium Israeli, a double construction of two bones. Function of skulls. Two types. Vertebral column made up a number of endochondral bones known as vertebra. Pectoral and pelvic girdle. The pectoral fins is connected to the fish skeleton by pectoral girdle. Conclusion. In conclusion, muscular and skeletal system act together to support the movement and protection of the fish. Therein, having these two systems is important for the survival and what is in aquatic environment.